Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the verb conceive. Let's break it down step by step. Conceive has three main meanings. 1. To form an idea, plan, or concept in your mind. Example: the artist conceived the idea for the painting while traveling in Italy. 2. To understand or believe something, especially when it feels difficult. Example: I can't conceive why she would lie about it. 3. Formal: to become pregnant, to conceive a child. Example: the couple struggled for years before finally conceiving a child. That's conceive. One word, several important meanings. I loved having you here. Talk to you again soon. Bye.